Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Um, we have a lot to go through over this evening. Had a lot of selling last week. All right. So we're going to take a look at big picture this evening. All right. So big picture. So let's get right into it, guys. We have a lot of information to go over. But welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. So big picture this evening. Big picture. We're going to start with the Dow, guys. The Dow retraced a bit, so trading right below resistance here. Not a big deal, all right? Not a big deal, but the Dow is holding, all right? The S&P, a bit of a pullback. So you guys see here a bit of a pullback here on the S&P right here. NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ is in trouble. Now, we don't have a sell signal yet on the NASDAQ, but let me show you guys what's going on here. All right, so NASDAQ, here we've got resistance right here, and we are right at that moving average. All right, here's your upward trend line right here. So if the no, this is on the weekly time frame. All right, guys, this is on the weekly time frame. So if the NASDAQ breaks down, that's a major concern. All right, so if the NASDAQ breaks down this week, all right, we'll be watching it. All right, so we'll be watching it if it breaks down this week. All right, so NASDAQ, the Russell. Now, the Russell is trading below its resistance level. All right, so right here, all right, the Russell right here, IWM, you guys know this is small caps. And we saw a move in the Russell, right? Moved higher. And guess what? Now it's trading below the resistance line right here. So expect some slowing in small caps, all right? The Russell, the IWM, all right? Now the VIX, we've been talking about the VIX, guys. We got a big move on Friday. Now, the market, the Dow, you guys probably heard about this, right? On a lot of the news networks, right? That we had a lot of selling on Friday, and we might be going into a recession, all right? That could happen, could not, but doesn't matter. All right, we'll see what happens with the price action. But the big news on the VIX, let's remove this, is that it is now above 20. Actually closed at 23 on Friday. Made a high, guys, of almost 30, 29 and change. All right, that's a big deal. We've been talking about the VIX need to stay below 20. Guess what? All of a sudden, it's not at 20 anymore, not below 20. It's trading above 20 at 23. That's a big deal, all right? Because the VIX volatility index, that's our fear factor, right? We use this to measure fear in the market, volatility in the market. So 23 is not good, and it's on the weekly time frame, so that's big picture. All right. Now, like I said, try to get near 30. All right, we're going to bring this right here. So if it gets the next area, now it closed right at 23. Try to made it all the way up to 30. We're going to be watching 37. All right, so on the VIX, we have good resistance here, guys. All right, at 36, 37 on the VIX. So we'll just keep an eye on that, okay? All right, so 23 is where it closed on Friday. And keep an eye on that. Bitcoin, all right, we've been talking about Bitcoin. It needed to stay above 64,000. Now it's tried, all right? It's really tried to stay above 64,000. All this whole area here, all right? It gapped down. If you guys look here, it gapped down right here. Now it's trading at 58,000. So remember, Bitcoin and the crypto market in general will follow, right, the S&P and the equity market. So if the market continue to move lower, Bitcoin should move lower also. All right, but that's a big deal. It's gapped down this evening, and it's no longer holding above 64,000, which is our resistance line right here. The dollar index made a move lower. This is surprising. All right, we were hoping, right, as equities move lower, the dollar index would move higher, and that did not happen. All right, so the dollar, guys, is trading at 103, and we have a sell signal here on the weekly time frame. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on the dollar index. Gold is holding above 2,400, so 2,484. Gold, bonds need a nice breakout. All right, just remember, guys, when the equity markets move lower, bonds will move higher. So a buy signal came in on Thursday, all right, on the TLT, which is bonds. That came in at around 94. Gap top on Wednesday buy signal, Thursday's price action, which is right here, and then Friday's price action, which is right here. All right, so buy signal came in at 94 and currently closed on Friday at 98. Okay, you guys that are trading with us, trading Monster Scalper, all right, you guys know we've been done really, really well with shorts. Okay, so on the weekly time frame now for pound yen, we do have a sell signal, okay, on the long. So that's really good confirmation, all right, on the shorts. Okay, so we broke our trend line and we broke support also. So let's take a look at this, and hopefully this week we'll get additional follow through, okay, on additional follow through on the shorts on the yen. All right, so broke support right here, red candle, sell signal, pound yen on the weekly time frame. Now, we don't trade on the weekly, but we can monitor it. All right, big picture. Now, this is big picture on the weekly time frame here. All right. Now, let's see if we had a bounce in the yen. All right, there's the bounce in the yen. The Japanese yen, all right, a bounce here. As the yen, Japanese yen, moves higher in the futures market, okay, pound yen will move lower. All right, so let's go through current positions, guys, current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, and as you guys know, we've been shorting, right? We've been shorting the yen. That's been the best trade right now. Now, we try to take the dollar up, all right, and guess what? Dollar index broke down, right? We were hoping that buyers came in here. Dollar index broke down, so we should be out of those dollar trades. We'll take a look at those, all right? It's rare that the dollar index, all right, so the dollar and the yen pairs go down together, but it happens from time to time, okay? So let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame, 60-minute time frame. So let's look at those. And those are long positions in the dollar pairs. Now, that's not your best trade, all right? Best trade, all right, is the yen long, yen short. That's your best trade. But we try to make a move here in the dollar pairs. Let's see how they're holding up. All right, so USD MXN. All right, here was your pullback. All right, and all right, that's your markup phase. and trading really well. That's reaccumulation. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, buy signal here, holding. All right. But I don't think the rest of the dollar pairs did as well. So USD MXN is holding fine right now. Again, buy signal here, good trade going. USD DKK, that one closed, guys. So buy signal was here. Let's bring up our resistance line. All right, so buy signal was here, broke support, sell signal, so we should be out here. All right, now, first red candle, we should be out here. At worst case, we should be out here. So we should be out. We bought on a break of resistance. Sellers came in heavy. We should be out. If we're still in that trade all the way down here, guys, you're doing something wrong. We should be out of that trade all the way up here. So USD DKK, close the trade, please. USD PLN, same thing. All right, buy signal here, red candle. We should be out right up here. First red candle, bought here, sold here. Look what happened after, guys. All right, so we want to get out when we get those sell signals. All right, or red candle. We want to get out immediately. All right, protect those profits. All small losses. So USD PLN, close the trade, please. Dollar CAD, all right, buy signal here, broke support, red candle, sell signal there, all right? So dollar CAD, you guys see what's going on with the dollar pairs. Just close them, all right? That dollar index fail, all right? So USD HUF, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade, all right? Now, this is a long red candle here, so all right, hopefully got to be quick right here to get out of that. All right, USD HUF, close the trade. And then dollar ZAR, all right, very difficult trading here. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. So we'll leave the dollar trade for now, all right? We'll see how the short side develops, okay, guys? So we'll see if we have a real move going in on this on the short side with the dollar pairs, okay? But your best trade right now, we've been talking about it, trading it. All right, great trades. We've had some great trades in the yen pairs short. All right, so let's take a look at those trades. All right, so these are short positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame, okay? All right, we do have two Aussie pairs, so Aussie Swiss. All right, guys, great trade going here. All right, beautiful trade. And we've been trading well. System's been trading well. So Aussie Swiss, sell short signal here, buy to cover. Great trade there. And currently sell short signal here. All right, and still holding its sell short signal. All right, great trade here. So far, that's for about over 200 pips. All right, so sell short signal here, still trading nicely in the markdown phase. Purple support and resistance here, so nothing to do. Aussie Swiss, right, continue to hold that trade. All right, Aussie New Zealand, guys, Aussie New Zealand sell short signal here. All right, holding support right here. What we need, we currently have a white candle, so keep an eye on it. If it breaks to that, let's see here. So we got support here, and then we have resistance right about here. All right, so if we get now sell short signal all the way up here, so that's good profit. All right, so we want to protect those profits. Hopefully overnight, all right, we can see sellers come back in, break through that support, keep moving lower. We do have a yellow support and resistance here, so I know it's hard to see here. So yellow support and resistance right there. What that means, we oversold, and we're getting higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. All right, so if you get a green candle here, all right, definitely close the trade, all right, or a buy to cover, all right, a white arrow here, close the trade. So Aussie, New Zealand, we'll hold it for now, all right. New Zealand yen, guys, great trade going here. Previous trade did well. Sell short signal, right here, and here we are. Good price action, moving lower here, all right. Good job. No support and resistance here, so we'll let it run. Now, we don't have any news in the Euro session. Let's check here. Monday. All right, so no data coming out in the Euro session, all right, to interfere with the trade. And we do have ISM numbers coming in the New York session, okay? That's at 10 a.m., all right? So hopefully the move continues, all right? So NZD JPY, good short going here. TRY JPY, all right, good short. Let's remove this. Sell short signal here, guys. Look at this. Good price action moving lower here. All right, TRY, JPY. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. And these pound yen right now, guys, 32% down. All right. All right, so about 32 pips down already. Sell short signal here. Look at this. Beautiful trade. Purple support and resistance. Keep making lower lows. So hopefully our monster scalper traders, you guys are doing well and you're all over these trades, okay? So 60-minute sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. That's a great trade, great trading on the 60-minute time frame, okay? We'll take a look at the 242 and the daily. USD JPY, all right, another great trade here. All right, sell short signal is here and breaking support right here. And look at that, currently moving lower in the Asian market. Great short right here. Sell short signal is here, moving here, and it's been trading nicely. You guys have tons of opportunities, all right, to short these yen pairs. Euro yen, right, sell short signal, current sell short signal is right here for lots of pips. Euro yen, sell short signal came in at, what's that? Wow. All right, 166, trading at 159. That's what 600 pips? That's right. All right, great short going here. All right, currently breaking support right here. Great short. Now, this short, right, has been in on the 60-minute time frame, guys. On the 60-minute time frame since what? July the 30th. All right, so great short going here. All right. HKD JPY, another great short. Sell short signal here. Look at the previous shorts. All right. These are your best trades. All right. So like I've been saying, you guys should be we've been for what? This is the third week or so. Going on the third week, we've been talking about these short trades in the yen, so you guys should be all over it. HKD JPY, all right, great short, purple support and resistance. That's distribution, redistribution phase. All right, sellers coming in, breaking support right here. Great trade. All right, that's HKD JPY. Aussie yen, same thing. All right, great trade. All right, look at Aussie yen. Sell short signal here, buy to cover. Sold short, buy to cover. Sold short, buy to cover. Sold short here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 very profitable trades so far. All right, Aussie yen. CAD yen, same thing. All right, let's remove this. Sell short signal here. All right, good price action all the way down. All right, moving lower here. That sell short signal came in at 110, trading at 105. That's 500 pips, guys, on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so great trading. ZAR yen, all right, sell short signal here, fairly early, all right, early in this trade. Sell short signal here, moving down lower here. Okay, and SGD JPY, sell short signal here. All right, got through support. We had a yellow support and resistance here along with purple. All right, tricky area, but broke through. Big candle here. Big short candle here. Broke through support. Good price action. Lower lows here. All right. So great trading. All right. In monster scalper, shorting the yen pairs on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. And I've heard from a few of you. Big congratulations. All right. To our traders shorting the yen pairs. All right. Now on the 240-minute time frame, let's do this. 240-minute time frame, we do have some longs, dollar pairs longs, all right, dollar longs in monster scalper. Let's take a quick look at those. See how they're holding up. USD MXN, buy signal here, all the way down here, and that's moving up nicely here. Great trade going here. USD DKK, buy signal here. All right, had to cover, right? Previous resistance becomes support. Red candle, close the trade. Please, USD DKK. All right. Dollar CAD, buy signal here. That's holding. We're going to close this. All right. Purple support and resistance. We could get a move higher, guys, but that dollar index is under pressure. Dollar pairs are under pressure. So we'll close that. USD DKK. USD SCK on the 240. We're going to close that also. All right. Lots of selling here. All right. So here is resistance. All right. Here was our attempt here to buy here on a break of this resistance. All right. Sellers came in. Sell signal came in right here on a break of support. Sellers are coming in, close that trade. All right, that's done. So the only dollar pair, right, we've got now is USD MXN on the 60 and USD MXN on the 240. All right. All right. Now on the 240-minute for the yen pairs, guys, we've got some short. Now we missed the rotation, all right, the early rotation on the yen pairs on the 240, but we were able to catch a few here. All right, so let's go through those. So shorts on the 240, 240-minute time frame, so your 4-hour chart. All right. Now, if you miss some trades, guys, just find those opportunities. Okay, so you can always minimize, reduce your time frame, okay, like we did. So captured a lot on the 60-minute, but just know that if you missed any on the 240, all right, you can still get some moves, all right. So we did catch some on Swiss yen. So Swiss yen on the 240, sell short signal here, all right, moving down nicely, bit choppy in here, but still holding the trade. Aussie yen, sell short signal here, great trade going, guys. Look at that. All right, and we've passed all support levels on the 240. All right, so just remember when we break through those support levels and we don't have any new support levels in sight on that time frame, they could go much lower. All right, so Aussie yen moving lower. All right, pound yen. Same thing, guys. Look at that. Pound yen, sell short signal here. Great price action. All right. Basically, a falling knife, moving lower. And we've gotten past all support levels, right? The last support was right here. And look at that, guys. We are moving much lower, right? Lots of pips, okay? So that sell short signal came in at, what's that? 195. And 187, all right? Is that true? That's about almost 700-800 pips. Lots of pips, guys. Lots of pips here, all right? But that's on the 240, all right? When we catch moves on these longer time frames, that's to be expected, all right? All right. New Zealand yen, sell short signal here, moving down nicely, right? So sell short signal right here, New Zealand yen, all right? Moving down nicely. That's for about, 300 pips. Still early in the move on the 240. And we also have Aussie New Zealand. Sell short signal here, holding right here for now. All right. So we need that to come on down and test support all the way down here. So amazing trading, guys. I want to say this has got to be the best trade so far for the year. All right. Best trading, especially with the yen pairs. Now, we had some really good move with the yen pairs long. You guys know that. But boy, what an amazing move short in the yen pairs. Okay. Let's go through current positions in stock boss. Now, we normally take a look at equities on Monday's training, but based on the selling we've got going, we really want to be careful with equities. All right, no surprise, we've been calling, right, trimming. Say, hey, trim positions, right? Haven't been taking a lot of positions, calling for a lot of buy signals in equities. We notice hit seeker kind of slowed down. All right, so just be very careful with equities. So we'll take a look at the current positions in equities, but I want to show you guys what's going on. We looked at big picture, but I want to show you guys what's going on the daily time frame. All right, on the S&P, guys, on the S&P, right, S&P was trying to, right, buyers to come back in. We had a green candle right here on Wednesday, all right? And then this is Friday's price action, this red candle right here. And then right here, this is Friday's price action, gap down, all right? So now we have broken that trend line. That's a big deal, okay? Now, we are in the markdown phase, so we're no longer, let me show you guys here. All right, so here is resistance, and then here is support. All right, so we've broken support. We can actually call support right here. And now this is what we've got to do. Anything can happen, but you guys know that. But right now, all right, so we're looking for the S&P to go short. If it recovers, right, previous resistance right in here, all right, previous support becomes resistance, then we'll see what it does. But we do not have a buy signal on the S&P, okay? Next support level, near-term support on the S&P is right here. So we'll be watching that area on the daily time frame, okay? After that, we have support down here. So we'll be paying attention to what the price does on the S&P on the way down. This will affect equities. And remember, the VIX is at 23, right? We haven't been above 23 since, when was that? Last year. We haven't been at 23, guys, since last year, okay? So this is a big deal. And we are in the summer months, all right? August, right? June, July, August, September, right? That's out of season for stocks. That's when we usually get a lot of selling and corrections. And if things get worse, that's when we'll get crashes, right, in the market. I'm not saying we're going to crash, but that's when sellers usually come in heavy, okay? All right, on the NASDAQ, same thing. All right, so here's our markup phase on the NASDAQ. And here is our markdown phase, okay? Remember, it's not what we want out of these markets, all right? It's what these markets are doing, and then we have to react to it. And rather than trying to go long equities, guess what? We can short these yen pairs and do well. So, right, sell signal here, same thing for the NASDAQ, gap down, all right, gap down. And then we have support here. So we'll be watching the support level on the NASDAQ right here. So first level of support is really right here and then right here on the NASDAQ, okay? So we are no longer going up. Don't be concerned with resistance, right? Now we need to be concerned with these support levels. All right, the next support level right about here, okay, on the NASDAQ. So, right, S&P and NASDAQ, remember we have sell signals. On the Dow and the IWM, the Russell, we don't have sell signals yet. Those will come in soon, all right? So, on the Dow, all right, buy signal here, we are trading below resistance. We move any further, all right, lower, we'll get a sell signal, okay? On the Russell, the IWM small caps, right, gap down, and now we are trading. Look at this, all right? So everyone's been talking about that move in small caps. Guys, that didn't last long, all right? All right, and, you know, so Stock Boss, you guys, and we'll take a quick look at Hit Seeker for Stock Boss, but if you guys look here, all right, gap down on Thursday, closed here on Friday. So it went from, all right, in 2 days, 225 all the way down to close at 208. All right, so we don't have a sell signal. Well, let's call it. We have a red candle here. So we do have a sell signal. We don't have a sell signal by our system, but we have a red candle sell signal. So guess what? The Russell IWM is back within support and resistance. So that move didn't last long, did it? Okay. All right. So Stock Boss, we are done with Stock Boss for now. Okay. We tried. Okay. We're starting to see more sectors going down, guys. Okay. So more sectors. We got new down. All right, so we have more sectors that are going down. These are still hanging in there. All right, so be aware of that. All right, so now you guys know what's going on. All right, in equities, let's take a look at the current positions in Stock Boss. Again, that is small caps. All right, small cap stocks. All right, that's part of the IWM, the Russell. Okay. And we don't have a lot, only a few. So let's make sure we clean things up for Monday morning. So BRKL, buy signal here, this is still holding. Now, we had a lot of selling last week, a lot of selling on Friday. We could get a bounce, okay? But that bounce, all right, is generally short-lived, okay? Because the market is turning. So any bounce, all right, might be an opportunity to take profits, okay? So just expect we might have a bounce tomorrow, okay? We'll see. BRKL, that's holding right now. FFWM closed the trade. So buy signal came in at 663. White candle came in on Friday, purple support and resistance, closed on 642. Close the trade, please. All right. Defense is the key now. All right. SLQT, buy signal here. This one here is struggling to hold that resistance line, that support line. Let's bring in a trend line. For right now, that looks okay. Okay. Could get a bounce tomorrow. Keep an eye on it. All right, ADPT. All right, buy signal here. It's holding that resistance right now. Green candles. Keep an eye on it. All right, AVXL. That's holding. I'm surprised by some of these. BVS. All right, close the trade. All right, white candle came in here. All right. Normally, guys, if we were bullish, right? And we had buy signals all on all these indexes, right? Markets strong, we would hold on to a trade like this, okay? But guess what? White candle, and it's trading at that trend line. Buy signal here, 702, trading at 665. We're going to close that trade, okay? CCC, that's holding for now. CTKB, buy signal here, white candle, trading at support. Sellers could come in, guys, right in here. And guess what? Market isn't healthy right now, so close the trade. All right, EOSE, all right, perfect sell signal. Okay, so buy signal was here at 90 cents. All right, we got a sell signal at 164. Sell signal right here on the break of this support line. Close the trade, please. Okay, so EOSE, close the trade, please. All right. I want to take a quick look before I forget at HitSeeker. Let's just see what HitSeeker is doing. So Stock Boss right here. I'm sorry, hold on. HitSeeker. Yeah, Stock Boss is right here. Let's run HitSeeker just so that you guys can see what's coming in. 21 stocks. That's not a lot. You guys know when HitSeeker is moving, market's moving, we get a lot more. All right, so our Stock Boss traders, you guys are not missing anything, okay? So don't feel like you're missing anything. You just have to trade. There's nothing in Stock Boss, okay? All right, and that's what we want when this market starts behaving like this. We want HitSeeker to, all right, take a break, all right? Take a break. Bull Master, nothing in Bull Master Pro, okay? I mean, nothing in Bull Master. Bull Master Pro, we'll take a look at. 75 in Bull Master. That's not bad, but we're going to leave that for now, okay? And Bull Master Pro, guys, look at this. Selling in Bull Master Pro. So your Bull Master stocks, Pro stocks, just be careful with those, okay? So let's go through those right here. So Bull Master Pro. All right, we only have, what's that, 4? So Coke, let's see how Coke is doing. Coke made a move higher. No, Coke, all right, that's consumer staples. All right, so Coke, all right, some of your alcohol, utilities, right, those types of stocks will generally do good, right, in a bear market. All right, I'm not calling a bear market yet. All right, but this is going to be a flight to safety. All right, so Coke is moving up nicely. Goldman Sachs Financial, all right. Who is in this? Joe, I think, Joe. Joe, if you're still in this, you got to get out of this. Okay, so buy signal here, red candle. All right, close the trade, please. All right, should be out of this trade, and it's right at that trend line. So if it breaks through that trend line, we could see Coke move much lower. Okay, so Goldman Sachs, close the trade. HWKN, shocking here. Moving nicely. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. This was the one that took a long time, guys, to break out. And look at it. Holding firm. PIPR, all right, was doing well. All right. Buy signal was at 216. Closed on Friday at 244. So close the trade, please. Okay. So guys, we've trimmed. All right, so two symbols in Bull Master Pro, none in Bull Master, and what's that? 5 in Stock Boss. And even with those, guys, keep an eye on those, okay? All right. Quick look at the Magnificent 7. We're not adding any trades this evening? Well, definitely nothing in equities. In Monster Scalper, in Forex, we don't have to add anything, right? Those shorts are doing well, okay? But let's see. I want to show you guys the Magnificent 7, okay? All right. All right, so Apple, guys, Apple is struggling to hold its buy signal. Now, buy signal was here. We called it right about in here, and it's struggling to hold. All right, so Apple is struggling to hold right here. NVIDIA, sell signal, you guys know that, and it is struggling to hold its, all right, trend line right here. Okay, so NVIDIA, and then it has support right here, and we call it right at about $100 support, trading at 107. It's in trouble, okay? It's in trouble. It is in the markdown phase. All right, markdown phase, get additional selling, it's gonna be in trouble, okay? Meta, Facebook, all right, also has a sell signal. Try to make a move. I think it had earnings last week. Try to make a move that failed. It's holding here. It does have a very defined support and resistance. All right. So, all right, really good resistance here. Really good support here. So with Facebook, Meta, guys, we can see it just kind of consolidate. All right. If it starts testing support here, next level of support is all the way down here. Okay, Microsoft, so this is your MAG 7. Microsoft, keep an eye on Microsoft. It is in the markdown phase. All right, so markdown phase here, this is distribution. Now it's still early selling, about what, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks of selling. I guess that's not early. All right. And here we are. Okay. And we are moving lower. Watch out for right about here, support right here. Any additional selling, we could see Microsoft move. Lower, and Google right here, same thing. Sell signal here, it's also in the markdown phase. So just remember, markdown phase, who is in control? Sellers are in control. All right. And then Tesla, guys. Tesla gave a sell signal, right? We've been talking about Tesla. All right. It was in trouble, right? Right. It was looking to break through some very tough resistance here. All right. We did get a sell signal, red candle, so definitely out. Now, Tesla, next support level is right here. All right. Which is, it closed on Friday at 207. Next support is 177. If it starts approaching this area right here, guys, Tesla has some really long way to go. If it breaks through, gets some pressure on the weekly time frame, look here, all the way, if it gets past this area here, we might get some additional support here. Based on the price action, I don't think so, but you never know, right? They might attempt to hold it in this area here, right here and right here. These are just lows. Your support is really right in this area here. If it breaks through that area, guys, I'm not saying it's going to do that, but support is all the way down here, $30 on the weekly, okay? All right, but that's a long, long way away, okay? But that is a support area. So no additional support areas until all the way down there. So just be aware of that, all right? Should be out of Tesla if you're trading it, all right, on the daily time frame and you're using our systems, okay? All right, Monster Scalper, let's go through Monster Scalper quickly. Again, we're not looking for any positions. Those shorts are solid in place. Let's just see what's going on here, okay? All right, 1 second before I do that. Okay, Monster Forex Tracker. Let's take a look here first. Look at that, guys. Really good volatility. What a beauty, huh? All right, good volatility on the daily. Was that almost 95%, let's say, on the daily? On the 240 or 98% volatility, right? All this yellow, that's really good. On the 60-minute, right there, 95, 98% volatility. So we're good. Look at this. Look at the shorts. All right. Look at the shorts. And look at this. All right. Great, great, great trading. All right. So good job, guys. Keep sending me your success stories. So Aussie, Kiwi, yen pairs, short. Look at this. All this down. All right. On the daily, 240, and also on the 60-minute time frame. Did we go over? Forex Dominator? Hold on. I think we missed Forex Dominator. Yeah, we missed Forex Dominator. All right. Yeah, we missed Forex Dominator. Let's go through Forex Dominator, and then we'll be done. All right. So we have some big shorts, guys, in Forex Dominator. All right. These are big trades. I'm going to bring this out here. So we did the longs. Did we do the longs? I'm confused now. Hold on. All right, let's just go through the shorts here because we've got some big shorts. I'm glad I remembered, so we can show you guys these. So really big shorts, guys. Remember we talk. All right, they take a long time to go up. Right? Look how long it took. All right, in that markup phase. All right, so October, what's that? October of last year, all right, all the way to July to get from here, the bottom here, to here. And look how quickly it fell, guys. So remember, these shorts will move. So that's July, that's 1 month. July, what's that? July the 15th. All right, so 3 weeks to come all the way back down. All right, so great opportunity to short, guys. Great short in here. New Zealand yen. All right. So our Forex Dominator traders, good job. And our Monster Scalper traders, also good job trading these. Okay. So on the daily time frame, New Zealand yen, great short here, guys. And we caught all of these short. All right. Our timing was absolutely perfect on these yen shorts in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. So New Zealand yen, great short. All right. Now it's at support here. We do have really good support, but guys, look here. All right. Based on that price action, we have no consolidation. Looks like that's going to break through there. Okay. Great, great, great short. New Zealand yen. Aussie yen, same thing. All right. Sell short signal here. Beautiful short. All right. It's a 40 knife, guys. Again, we have support here. Good chance it will break through there and perhaps settle somewhere down in here. Okay, so don't mess them up. Let those trades run. TRY, JPY, sell short signal here. Breaking through support there. Pound yen. All right, sell short signal. Look here. 40 knife, guys. And every single one of these, our timing was perfect. Okay, all right. Support here. We got support here. Good support here. All right. Good traction. And next support level is all the way down here. If we break through here convincingly, we could move all the way down here. All right. Lots of pips, guys. I can't even count this amount of pips. Okay. And currently, pound yen is up, what's that? 64%. So about 64, 65 pips right now. All right. As the market opened this evening. CAD yen, all right, breaking through support here. Look at that. Sell short signal here, breaking through here. Next level of support all the way down here. Euro yen, same thing. Sell short signal here, moving down nicely. You guys see what's going on? Dollar yen. Now, if you guys are not trading with us, all right, with Monster, all right, don't take these trades. All right, if you've missed them, even though you guys trade with us and you've missed it, all right, on these time frames, don't get into those trades. Those sell short signals, that's done. Now, if you want to trade it on a smaller time frame, find an entry on a very small time frame. That's fine, but on that daily time frame, on those 240. All right, even on the 60-minute time frame, those trades are done. All right, those trades are done. All right. All right. HKD, JPY, same thing. Sell short signal moving down nicely. Support here. Further support all the way down here. SGD, JPY, sell short signal here. Support here. Again, good price action. Falling knife. All right. Next support all the way down here. We have some Kiwi pairs. So NZD, CHF, sell short signal here. All right, we were saying that, hey, we could see buyers coming here. No way, look here. Breaking through that support convincingly, so we let it run. NZD, USD, we have support here, but sellers are looking to bring it further. Hopefully, we can test support and break through like the others. Aussie, Swiss, breaking through here. Another one we thought buyers would come in here at support. And guess what, guys? They didn't. All right? Or haven't yet. All right? Still breaking through new support levels all the way down here. Amazing trading, guys. Just amazing trading. Aussie dollar holding its sell short signal, fairly new. And then Aussie CAD holding right here. Looking to break through trend line right here. What amazing trading. What amazing trading. Okay, so those of you who are in these, all right, so forget about equities, guys, all right, forget about equities, going long equities, that's not where the trade is right now, all right, the trade right now, and this is why we trade multiple markets and we have multiple trading systems, because if one market's stop, and you can short stocks or get puts, but guys, that's difficult to do. Okay, so all right, so we can go to Forex and find an opportunity like we're doing now. Okay, so great job, great job. All right, I just want to say I've been getting a lot of good success stories from our even our new traders, trading monster scalper. All right, even on the 60-minute, guys, we have new traders trading on the 60-minute shorting, never shorted before, shorting these yen pairs, and are doing well. Okay, so I want to congratulate you guys, our new traders and our seasoned traders that are doing really well. Okay, you guys know that we don't get opportunities like this every single day, all right, or every single week or every single month, all right. So a few times in the year, all right, 2 or 3 times in the year, we'll see big moves like this happen, right, on the daily, on the 240, and especially on the daily. This is a big macro move on these yen pairs. And you guys remember here, if we look here, so I want to show you guys, we have a lot more potential if this works out. Okay, we just got a sell signal on pound yen, and right, these yen pairs will follow pound yen. So if pound yen moves lower, guys, guess what? All those trades we just went over will continue to do well. Okay, so all those trades we just went over will continue to do well. This yen short. All right, so big picture, it's still early, big picture on these yen pairs, okay? On the weekly time frame, pound yen just gave a sell signal. So if it continues to move lower, all these yen trades, short will do well. All right, guys, so find your opportunities. Let's have a great trading week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? All right, good trading, good job. Take care, guys.